Hi friends, I almost finished this, but I can't say I finished it. I got this brand new for $4.99 at the Howdy Bargain Center, and I am missing a piece right here. I have looked everywhere. It's nowhere to be seen. I don't have any pets, and I don't know. It's just one of those things. Now, I don't know, unless it's stuck to my clothes or something, and I see a puzzle piece running around, but I don't see any within range. So I'm gonna, of course, take a top-down shot so you can see the whole thing. Then I'm gonna start this one while it's still warm enough here. A lady gave me this, and she said that she didn't know because it spilled. She hoped it was all here. So if it is, I have somebody I'm going to send it to. Hey friend, let's hope. I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit easier. It's buffalo. We'll start there. I like buffalo. It felt heavy. I told her it felt heavy enough. Let's hope. Oh, poster. It's cute. Uh-oh, poster. Did the dog get a hold of the poster? Roxy, were you into this? She's got a dog named Roxy, cute little dog. Well, I don't know. That's disappointing that I'm missing a piece, but I got nothing. I got nothing. Wow, this one stays together really good. Hold the works. Okay, hold on. Hold on, maybe we can do this. I don't know. This seems like it's going good. Wow. Get my stomach out of the way here. There you go, friends. That's the whole thing. Wow. Okay. And just so you know, this is the Jigsaw Puzzle Factory. Wow, when you can do that, it's pretty good, but I'm disappointed that I'm missing a piece. Well, that's a shame. That was hard, puzzle. But, yeah. Okay. Well, some people write on them when they're missing. I'm lazy. Hi guys. I'm lazy how I put it back in the box. Some people, they write on it, and I'm going to do that too. Let's see. Oh yeah. Well, my E won't go. It's not writing on this box. Well, come on now. Oh, I can't make an E right on here. Come on now. Oh, it won't write on this shiny stuff. Well, close enough. And it is right in here. Well, that's all she wrote. That's all I got. Okay, thanks for looking. On to the next. Bye.